Good morning, guys. So it has been a super long while that I didn't do any new videos, any new contents for my channel. So today is one historical moment, which is I didn't expect this to happen, but I'm doing it anyway. So this is a Kit video where I'm swapping my DRC forged rims back to the original F20 M Sport rim with my with one of my F20 members. So yeah, I just want to make a video to document this experience. Car has been running well, no big issue, just did 80,000 km walnut blasting. So the car actually feels slightly better in terms of the pickup, acceleration, slightly better I would say, and hopefully it's not a placebo effect. Okay, so here we are, Lim Tire, and I'm just gonna park here and wait for my friends to come. I think he's here. So this is my good old DRC forged rim. Going off soon to my friend. Successfully transplant to a 120i. Okay, so back to the good old M Sport original F20 rim, but I still look very handsome. And that is all for today, and I'll update you guys on my next development, if the car is being sold or traded off, or I'm still driving it. Okay, see you guys. Bye.